Kasama rin ba sa goals nyo this year is to start a startup? Well, one of the common reasons why hindi na-start ang startups is analysis paralysis, where we are so overwhelmed by the number of things that we have to do to get started. It's easier to get motivated when you have a mental picture of things. And for most of us, to see your own logo printed on a calling card, it kind of makes everything real. A simple thing like that will give you fuel to start your next chapter. Pero teka lang, how do we get started with this? In this video, I will show you how Canva helped me design a logo, build a brand kit, design my rate template, and make overlays as well as calling cards. To get started, just type www.canva.com sa inyong browser or install an app. There's nothing to worry about because I'll be walking you through using a free account. Let's check out the interface. So on your left, you have a tab right here showing several options. So you have your home page. You can get started from here. You have a projects folder for all your previous projects, and you have a templates tab as well. This is where you can get inspiration or just get a template you can start your work from. Canva indicates several features that are only available for the pro version or subscription by showing this crown logo. Step 1, logo design. Sa homepage, you can easily search for a logo template or yung logo format ng project. So if I type logo sa search bar, ito yung mag-a-appear. So this icon shows that this is a format that can be made available for you. So let's just click this logo. On the left, meron tayo ditong link tree where you can see yung breakdown and where the logo page was found. It's under marketing, and these are the other things that you could also explore later on. But first, pili muna tayo ng isang logo. Right off the bat, meron ditong several options that are available for you. I'm actually interested about this one kasi kailangan ko lang magpalitan yung D ng N. So we'll have a quick edit for this. So I'll just click Customize Template. After loading, we could see na meron na tayong bagong project here. This part is the title, so let's change it up. Let's walk through the interface again. So sa left, meron tayong design. So here sa templates tab, you can check out the other templates and just click away if you want to change things up. The style tab, here you could check out some color palettes for you and font sets too. Sa elements tab, you can actually search for shapes, graphics, stickers, or anything na you would like to add sa ating design. Now, if you have graphics or other files, you can upload that here or just drag and drop, and it will be saved sa iyong cloud storage for your Canva account. You can also draw using the Draw tab, and may mga options then if you want to design stuff. This works well, especially if you're working on your iPad or a tablet with a pen. That's a great way or a fast way to just put annotations on your design. This is because Canva has an ecosystem. So it means na if I'm editing it on my laptop now, I can continue the edit later sa tablet or even make edits using my phone. So integrated naman siya lahat. And the updates na ginagamit natin is real-time na synergize together. Balik na tayo sa project. So it's Nerd Herd. So let me just type it out here. Now to change the font, I just need to make sure selected yung ating text box and then change yung font right here. So there are recommended fonts for this, but let me choose something more clearer. So this one is good for me. However, since dalawang rows siya, I think I need to resize it. So let me just try to decrease that. And right there, this looks better. The next step, we select this letter and change it up to an N. Now, as is, medyo interesting siya for me. I see several N's and several H's just by looking at this design. So, I think I'll leave it like this. Now, with logos, mas maganda kung end-to-end yung graphic talaga natin. So, to do that faster, I will just press Ctrl A para ma-select all natin siya. Now, another option is to group things up so that we can see na isang altogether graphic na silang lahat. And then just drag. Make sure na ma-maximize natin yung buong space. And we can save this na. So using a free version, we can just use PNG. But if you are subscribed to the Pro, you could use SVG. This is a more apt and dynamic doc type for logos. And you can also render it with the transparent background if you are using the Pro version. So just to be future-proof, i-duplicate natin siya and gawa tayo ng black on white naman. To duplicate the page, madali lang. Dito sa upper right corner, click lang natin yan. Now, let's render, share, download. As PNG is okay. And we do that. If multiple files siya, render siya as a page number and naka-zip file siya. So, extract lang natin. Meron tayong logo at ayan na nga siya, nakalagay na sa Recent Designs yung ating logo project. Mag-create naman tayo ng ating brand kit. Brand board for us for this project. So, let's do that. Let's check out the templates. Grabe, ang daming available na templates. I'm so happy about this. Now, yung logo kasi natin talaga sa Nerd Herd is white, red, and black. So, I'm thinking this is a great template to start from. Name natin siya. To zoom in and out, control lang and then scroll yung mouse wheel or meron tayo ditong slider sa lower right. Now, aside from the scroll wheel, meron tayong ibang options dito. Yung scroll view, and thumbnail view na toggle natin. Meron din tayong grid view kung may multiple pages and you could also switch to full screen. Now, to change this up, pwede nating upload yung ating logo here. So, we just go to uploads, upload files. I-upload natin yung ating designs and just replace this one. Delete this muna. And then, let's upload our logo. Resize lang natin siya. And secondary logo natin. Lagyan natin yung ating secondary na logo. And para mas better yung optics, gawin natin tong black. Like that, it makes more sense. An icon thing, so I'll just put here text only. To add a text box, click lang natin itong text. And we add a text box. Now, let's type out yung ating name. And we change this to Spartan. And then just make it a little bit bigger. Or a lot bigger. And I'm thinking, palitan natin yung size ng studio para mas naka-block siya. So, select lang natin by double-clicking yung mismong word. And we resize it so that it's about the same width as our first word. A little bit more, like that. That looks better. To make it more simple, you can just stick to that muna. And then secondary colors natin is, change this to black so you can show that it's white and red. With the fonts, well, it's just League Spartan actually. Second font natin is Livic. For now, we can do away with the third logo. Delete na lang yung third one. Now, this bottom part is basically an idea for in case you want to do streams or something like that. Now, as someone who's familiar with the gaming vertical, it's something you could also design. So, we can just keep it simple, honestly, and just change up yung logo natin. Automatically recorded na yan lahat ng changes natin unless you get a prompt na you lost connection to the internet. Now, we go back to the home page and move on to our next project. Now, if you have a business or you're a content creator, one common thing is your media kit natin, which also can serve as your rate card. So, let's do that. Now, for this kit, you can just hover your mouse so you can see the other pages. Start with this one. Just keep it simple. This one, you can just replace with our logo. And you can see, iba yung color niya, iba yung shade niya ng black. So, all I'll do is click this and change it up to the photo colors. So, ito yung mga colors na nasa shade nitong graphic natin. So, I click that. Ayan, same na siya na shade ng black. And for the font, I'll change this to our default, which is League Spartan. This one, we can change all the horizon na fonts in one click. So, yung buong file yan, lahat yung nagbago na. Parang mga taong kilala natin, lahat na lang nagbago na. And then, For the other things, the other font that we have, yung secondary natin na font, change natin siya to Livic. And change all lang natin siya. Yan. So, tama na yung ating font style for the whole thing. And you can change this up naman, and then add your number, website, if ever. So, we can just key in herd dot, and change things up right here. So, you can see services here. This looks applicable. So, you can have photo studio. Now for this, it looks like a makeup logo. We can change this into a different element. So to replace this, merong magic recommendations na graphics right there. But we can also use the search bar. So I can check video, look for something that's applicable. This looks okay, but it's in black. So let's recolor it to white. Okay. Teaching icon. Can do this. Yan, parang consultancy natin. Okay. And we can work around and add more stuff here, is about natin, and also the rates for your packages. So I hope you're getting an idea on how to build your own and move on tayo sa next nating project. One thing that I cannot rave enough about is how seamless it is to edit stuff on the go when you're using Canva. So I have Canva installed on my iPad mini, and if ever meron tayong inquiry about a rate and we want to update files, it's so easy kasi I can do it right here and make changes to our package price like that. And then send it to a client or share this to a client. Tapos next time, as things move along, I can make any change whatsoever, and it will also reflect dun sa main account natin. Very seamless, very helpful for your business. Speaking of integration sa tablet, you can also use your mobile phone for this. Just install the Canva app, just log into your Canva account, and you're good to go. Now, for this part of the demonstration, gawa tayo ng calling card using our tablet. Now, sa search bar, type lang natin business card. So, let's just choose a very simple one. Mas gusto ko kasi yung simple lang pagdating sa ganitong type of media files. So, we can just insert our logo, slide it over here. Ayan, slide lang natin yung ating logo. Right there. And we change up the details. And then update the details. Sa back naman na design, remove natin to, and we replace it with this one. I'm interested na itong likod gawin natin siyang different color or yung color sa logo, like that. Para pag pinrint siya, black dun sa details and white sa likod. And just like that, meron na tayong business card that we can have printed or sent out sa ating mga contacts. Walang duda, kaya sa Canva. Whether you're a gifted designer or a beginner like me with limited ideas of how to make things out of nothing, well, this one works like a charm. All of these, ginawa natin inside Canva, and truly kayang-kaya sa Canva. Partida free features pa lang yan. Try it for free now by signing up sa canva.com or downloading the Canva app. But if you want to enjoy more AI-powered features, you can also choose to subscribe to Canva Pro.